Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenn if you are new here, and I am glad to see you here. So for today's video, I'm really excited because this has been my long-awaited video that I really want to film, and also one of the requested videos. So here I am, and I'm excited to share you guys my luxury handbag collection. And I think I'm just gonna go over with the brand. I think I'm gonna go over with the I'm gonna start with the Louis Vuitton, and then I'll talk about them, pieces, why I bought them, and if it's still worth it or not. So anyways, let's start with the Louis Vuitton mini. No, this is not the mini, this is the Louis Vuitton pochette accessories. So this one is vintage. I got this off, I think the seller was from Japan, and I'm honestly glad that I got it like just a second hand, because the price of these one really went up. Louis Vuitton prices for the last couple of years, they've been having like a price increase like multiple times, and I don't know what's the reason of it. So anyways, yes, I got this really, I wouldn't say really cheap because it's still a little bit like expensive. I believe it was like $200 something plus shipping. And yeah, so this is the Louis Vuitton pochette accessories. Look like it's very old, I know, but the fact about this bag is I honestly wear this like running errands. I always like grab this bag for like running errands. So yeah, it can fit like phone, your wallet, like a big wallet. My Prada wallet fits in this one. And also, you know, my iPhone is, I have like the X Max, I have like the old phone, and keys, and you know, some other essentials like hand sanitizers and stuff like that. So yeah, I honestly love this bag. Would I buy this personally on like, because they do have the new one, the strap is more longer than the new one that they have. This one is a little bit more thin, and as you guys can see, it's already old. So yeah, this is the in monogram print. So I was thinking about honestly getting the new version of this one, but I'm honestly just happy with this one. So yeah, I'm still keeping this, and even though it's a little bit old and you know like run down, I can still fit my stuff in here. Okay, so the next one we're gonna talk about mini pochettes. Oh my goodness, for some reason last year I've been like really like eyeing this, guys. Like I've been really eyeing this, and I told myself I'm gonna eventually get all of them three, but it was impossible of a couple years ago because they were saying that they discontinued it. They were saying about like it's really hard to get them, and the only thing you can buy the pochettes is to go to like secondhand store or like a consignment shop. But I told myself like if I'm gonna be ending up paying the old mini pochette, and they're like really they double or triple the price of the consignment shop, I'm like, I'm just gonna wait until Louis Vuitton restock them again. And I'm honestly glad that they did last year, and I got three. So I think the first one that I got is this Demir Ibn, and I was so happy that I finally got it. And I know you might say it's a little tiny bag, what are you gonna put in there? Honestly, you guys, I'm even shocked because this bag can fit quite a lot of my essential. Okay, I don't know what's your essential look like, but my essential can fit in here. So with this bag, I don't put my card case, I mean not my card, my wallet, like the big wallet. The only thing I put in here is my card case from Louis Vuitton. My sometimes if I don't want to put my card case, I'll just use like the cards that I will be using, like a credit card, my ID, like driver's license, and that's literally it. And also put like the little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. This one you cannot put your phone in. You can't, it's impossible to put your phone in here, it's too small. But yes, this is great for just like, I love to wear this or like use this when I'm gonna go to Target, because like I can just put like my little, you know, like I said, essentials. So this one I love. And then also this one is, I'm trying to be careful because it's white and I don't really know how to take care of the like white canvas. So yeah, this is the Demir Azur look like, and this is the Demir Ibn. This is the comparison, and then this is the monogram one. So I got this first, and I believe, I don't know, I got the second or this one, but yes, I got all of them. And yes, if you're gonna ask me, yes, I did use them, and I also tried to keep them on their dust bag and also with their original box. So yeah, that's what they look like, the 3 mini ones, and right here. So they're more likely just for like a little like handbag. I can't do this on like over the shoulder. So yeah, this is what they look like, all of them. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the fourth one, which is my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. This was my big girl, my first ever big girl purchase, which is this one right here. I do love it. The first one I was thinking I want to get the monogram one, and now looking back at it, I should have got the Mir Ibn, but I kind of like, you know, I still love it. This is, like I said, it's a size 25. Okay, so I tend to use this bag when I'm going out with friends, and if I'm like vlogging, so I can put like my camera, or I can put like the tripod. And I do have the organizer. I feel like with the organizer, this is more like I prefer it if you have like Speedy 25 or Speedy 30, whatever size you got. I prefer to have an organizer because it would be much easier, because the first time I used this and it was just very all over the place. Like I can't find my lipstick, or if I want to like put like some lipstick on, it's just like I have to like keep dragging them, I mean keep looking, like digging them. So yeah, I highly suggest to get, if you have a Speedy 25, I highly suggest to buy an organizer. The first organizer I got was off of Amazon, and they were like 10 bucks. And then I also have another organizer which is from SirNathan store, which is I always use now, which is the red one. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick to my Speedy 25, and I still love it, and I will be using this bag because it's expensive. So the next one is my other big girl purchase, which is the Alma BB, and I honestly love this bag. And I went to the store, I don't know if one of like last year vlogs, when I was doing a vlogmas, I did went to the store and get my initial stamp, hat stamp there. And yes, I really love the mirror print. Before I was like obsessed with the monogram. I mean, I still love it, but now like I've been obsessing with the Mir Ibn print. So yeah, this is the LV Louis Vuitton Alma BB. This is great for a date night, like going out, like very, like you can like dress this up or dress this down, like very casual or like business wise. And they do have the Alma PM, which is like the bigger version of this, but I just prefer small bags because like I said, I'm small. I don't like really huge chunky bag. I mean, I do love bags when it comes to like work. I love like big totes bag, but when it comes to like when I'm just going out with friends, I tend to just like grab like a small bag, not like too big. But yeah, this is the Alma BB, and then this actually came with a strap, which I'm gonna show you guys. So this came with a strap, and which I love about this is the interior is red. So this, yeah, it's red, and there's also a key and lock here, which is I think I'm just gonna keep it inside a bag. So the next one would be this Burberry bag. This is the only Burberry handbag that I got, and yes, I do love this like print, and it's pretty old because it's like vintage, and I got this from Japan. And there's like a little, like not little, but just like a lot of watermarks. I don't know how to kind of like clean them though. So yeah, I honestly love this. But yes, this is, I really love this, and I also got this all the way from Japan. And the interior is just like black, and it's like a clip, and there's like a Burberry logo, and there's like also a pocket inside. Yeah, I tend to use this as well for like great for everyday or like a going out bag. So this is the Burberry, looks like right there, and then it's just like a black handles. All right, so next we have my very used, this too is like my most recently very abused bag, which is the Prada nylon. I think this is the Prada re-edition 2000. And yes, I've got a lot of views on when I was unboxing this. I think it's like 30K now, and I'm honestly shocked because like this is, I was literally like 50-50 if I want to buy this handbag because it's nylon and it's like a little bit on a pricey side. But you know what, when I bought this, like I kind of like just award myself. So yeah, this is the Prada re-edition. You guys, I honestly use this bag. Like it fits a lot. It may look tiny in the camera, or like it is, but it can fit anything. My Prada nylon, which I also got from the seller in Japan, fits in here, which is that little not little but like a full wallet nylon. And then it fits like iPhone, it fits like card holders, it fit my Chanel here, even fit my Canon G7X when I'm like vlogging. But yes, I just try to put something inside here because like right now it's not in a good position, because I did bought this with me when we went in Tampa and I just kind of like put them in the check-in bag. So right now it's a little bit crumbly. So yeah, this is in this black, the color black. They do have the brown one, and they also have like a lot of colors now. So yeah, and they also came with the like the kind of like a multi-pochette accessories, but they have like a little like shoulder strap and like a coin purse. But I didn't get that, I just got this. And honestly, one of like, it's honestly worth it, because I'm gonna be forever keeping this bag because I love this bag so much. And it has that like logo, which is the Prada logo. And then also inside, I did went back to when I got this bag, which is in Virginia, which is in Tyson's Corner, Virginia. I did ask for a box, which is they actually gave me. Let me show you guys. But yeah, when I purchased this bag, I just got like a paper bag, like a Prada paper bag and a desk bag. And then I did went to Tyson's, and I really liked storing my bags on like a box. And this storing it in just a regular dust bag, I don't really like it. And it turns out that I lost my dust bag. So I don't, it's probably somewhere here in the house, and I just couldn't find it. So I called the store and asked if I can get like a box. So they did give me a Prada box. And he also gave me an extra like dust bag, which is, you know, absolutely good. So he did give me those extra dust bag, and I put my, if I'm not using this bag, I put this bag on the box. So which is really amazing. Okay, so the next one is we have here, this is the tote bag from Marc Jacobs. This is amazing. Like I honestly love this. I've been eyeing this bag for so long, and I finally got this, I think last year, which is Christmas time. And this came with a strap right here. It came with a strap, so it's really good because you have choice on how to like use it, or like how to rock this tote bag. So you can either just like do it as a handbag, or you can put this strap as do as like a crossbody bag. I forgot what material this is, but I'm gonna put it in the screen. But yeah, I really love it. They also have it on like a nude. I was really gonna get the nude one because I have so many like brown bags, and like I have like also like a ton of like black bags. But yes, you know me, I love some good black bags, and this is also one of like my favorite handbags. Okay, moving on, we're gonna talk about some vegan luxury handbag. Yes, you hear me right. There's actually luxury designer brands as well that are, their bag is made of vegan leather, which is Angela Roy. And if you haven't heard from them, you guys are missing out because they made so many cute pieces of bag. This is my first purchase from them, which is, this is the Eloise satchel bag, and they're really affordable. And if also you're looking for a very beginner friendly, and if you're not really into like a really big name brands, try to look for this handbag. I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below if you guys are interested. So anyways, this is, the name of this bag is Eloise satchel, I believe, and I got of course the black one. And they have their logo on the side, which is AR, which is meant for Angela Roy, and this like red like tag. and I honestly love this bag. It came with like, or there's two big compartments here, and there's like a little mini compartments here. What I use this little compartments is I put like my card holders here and my key, because it's more easy access, and it comes with a strap as well, which is I love, because it's a adjustable strap, and you can style this like crossbody, or you can just use it as a shoulder bag or like a handbag. Like, this is giving you so much style to wear, on like how to wear this. So that came with a strap, and then the interior of the bag is brown. So yeah, since they have some stuff in here, and there is a, hold on, I did like a review on this. If you want to watch it, I'm gonna leave it somewhere in the screen here or in the description box, so you just watch that review. But yeah, this is the bag looks like, and there's like a print of here Angela Roy, because I don't want this video to be like at least an hour long. So yes, if you haven't watched these, I did like an unboxing and kind of like slight review, just watch that. So yeah, this is their Eloise satchel bag. The next one we have here, I believe this is the sheer mini tote, which is I love as well. I always keep them on their desk bag. So they only came with a desk bag. They don't have any boxes or anything. So this is the sheer mini tote, I believe. And there's two gold hooks in there's one in the front, and there's also one in the back where you can put this strap, and then it's not zipped, it's just like it's like a clip closure. They do came with a zipper now. I think they do came with a zipper, because I feel like this is the old version, and the one that I saw on the new one in Instagram came with a zipper. I'm not quite sure, I have to double check. But yeah, there's two big compartments on each side, and there's like a zip pocket on the middle which block like the bag. So yeah, and also the last thing that I got from them is also keep them in the dust bag. This is also my most worn bag from them. Is this I think this is Zuri or Zuki, I forgot the name. I'm gonna put the name in the screen. So yeah, I also tend to use this bag a lot, and the good thing about this bag is, like I said, there's more straps included, and actually there's two straps here, and actually just one straps included. So there's this like little strap, which is you can do as a shoulder bag. You can either put this as use this bag as a shoulder bag, or use this as a crossbody bag. It always depends on you, on what's your preference, but I tend to use this as a kind of like a little bit on both, because sometimes I am tired with like the shoulder bag, and also sometimes I am tired with the crossbody bag. But this is not like heavy, so I like the crossbody bag better, like this big, like this long strap better. So the next one I have here is also one of my recent purchase, and I'm having, I don't know, like I'm like 50-50 if I want to sell this bag or not, because I should have stick to small ones. I like their like mini ones. But yeah, this is from the brand Telford. I do love the color, like I really love the color. I love the bag, and also vegan as well, and their price is really reasonable, which I absolutely love. The only thing that I really hate, not just like really hate about this bag, is that this, okay, see, can we talk? I'm 5'2", and I should have just stick to the little mini bag that they have. But this is the thing that I hate, is this long strap. It would be okay if I'm like 5'5", 5'6", if I have that height, because this strap would probably work on me. So yeah, the only thing about this bag is like you can't unhook these two annoying things. But I don't know if I want to keep it or not. If you guys are interested, let me know. I do love the color though. I freaking love the color. I love the logo in here in the front, which is like very subtle. Like it's not, like I said, it's not all over your face, and it's very spacious as well. I use this I think just 2 times, and I just put this two in like inside, and like this. Yeah, I just put it right there. So the only thing about this bag is just this one, like I hate, like that's literally the only thing that I don't like about this bag. But other than that, I love the color. It's great for like it's very unique, and it's like a cream brown bag. This is the only, no, yeah, that's the only Telford that I got. So that's that. And then last but not the least, which is also one of my favorite, I always say this on my other bag, but this is like my most recent used bag, and also kind of like a little abused the first couple of days that I used this. So this is the Jacquemus or Jacquemus. Please don't kill me if I'm saying the word right or the name right. I'm wrong, not right. So this is the Li Chiqueto Moyen, and oh my goodness, you guys, I freaking love this bag. I really love this bag, and I use this almost like when I'm going out, like, well, almost when I'm going out. I know it looks really tiny, but trust me, it fits all of my essentials. I said that again, but yeah, it fits all of my essentials. So with this one, because I know that it's not too big, I put my cards on this little slit right here on the back of the bag. So I put like just like my driver's license, my debit card, and my credit card. Like that's literally it. I put, because sometimes I don't really carry so much cash, and if I do have a cash, I just like put him in here anyway. And this one also has a strap, which is really good, and it's adjustable. Oh my goodness, it's adjustable. So it came with a strap. I like to use this as a crossbody bag, and also like as a hand held, and fits like, you know, like mass, fits your little Bath and Body Work. It fits my little Bath and Body Work hand sanitizer. Now if you're gonna talk, or if you're gonna ask me, it did fit my phone without the cover, but I don't like it because it's still a little bit too tight. But when you have like the little I feel like if you have the mini iPhone, it'll probably fit. But my phone is, I have the iPhone XX Max, and it did fit without, like I said, without the cover. But with the cover, I'm not even gonna force it because I don't really want to stretch the bag out. So yes, this is the inside look like, and I also did an unboxing on a little bit like slight review. And if you want to see what really fits in this bag, please let me know on whatever bag that you want me to do next. And yes, that's like literally all my collection. And I also have some few bags that I also gave it to my sister, like a lot of my Michael Kors bag, my Coach bag, and I also have like a Fendi vintage bag that I give away to my sisters in the Philippines, because to be honest with you, I honestly don't need all of this bag, but I just love to keep them, and I love collecting them, and I'm also just, you know, love sharing them with my, you know, my friends and with my family. So I think that's all it. And if you have any question, please let me know in the description box, in the comment section down below. And I'm also gonna try to leave every single item that I mentioned on this video on the description box. And if you guys are if you guys are just interested on any of this bag. So anyways, I am glad to see you here, and if you made this far, please subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram, because I try to feature all this bag on my Instagram, and you know, how to style them or how to use them. So anyways, like this video again, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.